And finally, as you can see, we have many systems installed on such an aircraft. We have to make sure that the interoperability of aircraft systems connected to our antennas is achieved. At Dassault Systems, or in particular at Simulia, we offer that kind of workflow here for antenna placement interference analysis in 3DEXPERIENCE. It has 6 different steps, but it all starts in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Or we start with some input to define some inputs. Okay, you can see my mouse. So we have, for instance, aircraft CAD files, we have antenna specification, we have installed antenna specification, but we also have radio specification. Then we will do the first step, which means antenna design, not only antenna element design, but also antenna array design, feed network design, radome design, etc. And then once we have an antenna, we need to have a platform, which would be the aircraft in that case. Here we can apply some idealization, defeaturing, parameterization, define materials, and also define some antenna locations. Then the third step would be already the antenna placement, which is then specified in terms of some KPIs, antenna placement, antenna patterns, and antenna VSWR. And finally, the fourth step, we're talking about cosine interference. We do some cosine interference analysis. Fifth step, which we might need to achieve the cosine interference, is to design some RF components like transmission lines, but also filters. And then the last step is already the design verification, where we check performance against specification. And then, of course, at the end, we come out with some outputs in terms of antenna CAD, antenna location, but also component CAD.